What's going on, people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, back with another video. And in today's video I'm heading over to New York C, about to head over to the airport right by now. So I said I've vlogged the whole trip. We're going to be connecting with tons of different people who are absolutely crushing it with Facebook ads, with e-commerce, with dropshipping and all of that good stuff. We're going to be connecting with some familiar faces as well, so make sure you stay along for the ride. Let's hope Trump lets me in, and I'll see you on the other side. NYC, we are here! So, finally landed in New York. We are at the hotel right by now. Tired as hell. And I just want to say that New York is cold as shit. I used to think that UK was cold. But coming over here, as soon as I stepped out of the airport, it is absolutely freezing, okay? Making UK feel absolutely warm. So yeah, it's been a super long day. I've been up since like 6 AM UK time, and I think it's now, it is, so it's like 6 PM NYC time, which is 5 hours behind, I think. But I do need some food because I'm absolutely hungry. I'm gonna head out, and then tomorrow we'll do some more exploring, catch up with a few guys, and take it from there. Good morning, and what? Okay, looks like I won't be doing much today because I don't want to step a single foot outside in any of that snow. The amount of crazy characters I've seen out here is unreal. Like, out here is just bonkers. Yesterday I was walking right nearby Times Square, and this dude, bearing in mind it's like -1, it's like -1 out here. This dude had his top off, he had his own bass box, and dude was just there just doing arm curls. Like, straight, topped off, just straight there doing arm curls. Crazy as hell. He had his shoes blazing, and dude was just going ham. Like, where else in the world would you see such a thing? And that dude was in his element. He was like in his element. Like, whatever else was going on around him, my guy just did not care. Sometimes you just have to get inside your zone, block out any sort of, you know, distractions, anything else that's going on around you, sit in your element, and just, you know, straight aim, fire. So here with my boy Jeff. This guy's another Ecom killer. We're here just walking the streets in New York, not far away from Times Square. We've been talking a bit of strategy and getting to know each other and stuff like that. So Jeff, what was it you were doing before Ecom? Like, what were you kind of doing beforehand, like, you know?
Yeah, so before Ecom, I was doing door-to-door sales. So knocking on doors, selling phone, internet, TV.
Yeah.
That was a really key moment for me, even though I was not doing e-commerce yet, because I really learned how to sell. Yeah. And once I started e-commerce, I was able to apply kind of the same psychology to funnels, to selling products online. Yeah. So for me, it was a great stepping stone.
Yeah.
And yeah.
But previously, before that, you had no experience whatsoever with e-commerce, like Facebook adverts. You just
zero.
Door-to-door sales was your thing.
I was not an internet guy at all. Like, no, I was a lumberjack. No internet, nothing. So yeah, Shopify definitely helps. Like, you don't need to be like a fucking coder. You just put shit up there.
That's the thing. So like, that's what I'm saying. Like, my background is not even in marketing. So like, beforehand, you gotta remember, guys, like, at some point, me and Jeff and everyone out there who's absolutely killing it had no knowledge whatsoever of Facebook adverts, Shopify, anything like that, and it's just all learned over a period of time. And Jeff, what, like, since jumping into Ecom, how much have you done now? Like, from being a lumberjack to jumping into Ecom, like, what have you done, like, so far?
Well, not
Six figures?
Not 8 figures yet, but multiple millions in revenue.
See, so that's what I'm saying. Like, from a lumberjack chopping wood in the middle of where's he from? Let them know.
Montreal.
Montreal. Yeah. So even right about now, I'm cold. I've got a big fur jacket on. I got my scarf on. Believe you me, this dude is not cold whatsoever. Yeah. This is like what? This is like summertime for you, Jeff.
Yes.
So yeah, great to connect with other people who are absolutely crushing it. And this is another thing I say as well, guys, you know, is that you have to surround yourself with other winners. You know, like previously I've never met Jeff in my life previously before. This is the first time we've met. I'm from England, he's from Montreal. We're both here in New York City right now, just walking the streets. He's into ecom, I'm into ecom. Yeah. Pretty much the only thing that we have in common is ecom and Facebook ads and Shopify and stuff like that. So surround yourself with winners, and that will help you guys be successful. So I get a lot of messages from two types of people. Some people who are currently young and still in education, and then there's the people who are currently already working jobs and don't like their job and want to move away from the job. Now if you're young, for you guys, what I recommend is just start taking some actions, because if I knew what I knew back then, like what I know now, like, you know, time is the most important thing that everyone has. You know, it's not money, it's time. Now the second type of person that I always get a message from is like people who are currently working jobs right about now and they don't like working their jobs. Now look, let me tell you something. I was in that exact same position. You know, I absolutely hated working my job. I used to work 9 to 5s. Every single day I used to wake up, I used to drive to work, and I used to just sit in the car. And I used to absolutely dread getting out of the car, heading into work, having to put on a happy face, say hello to everyone, morning and stuff like that. You know, when I came home from work, I'd be working on my e-commerce stores, only getting like 2 hours sleep, 3 hours sleep, and then back to work, and was doing that consistently for a long period of time before, obviously, of course, to make the leap into doing things full time. It takes hard work to have success, and it's not something that just comes overnight. You know, if you're failing, that's good. You just learn in a way that doesn't work, and over time some doors will close, other doors will open up for yourself, and those doors that open up for yourself, you have to leverage those doors.
Yeah.
So we're out here.
What's up?
New York. Eric.
New York City.
Going on YouTube.
You already know who this guy is. What are we doing right now, boys?
Well, we're exploring this cold place called Times Square. About to head back to the Intercontinental, see some more presentations. My guy is about to go on stage, actually. What you gonna talk to him about?
Facebook ads, scaling, actionable content. So that
dropping nothing but value bombs. Oh, you already know. Yeah.
This dude here, affiliate marketing, what do we do, man?
So I do affiliate marketing, basically very similar to drop shipping, with the drop shipping model, to where you don't own anything, but with without the fulfillment on the back end. So it's pretty dope.
So like, what was you doing before though? Like, because like me, I was working 9 to 5 jobs. Jordan just came up because like we were just at it, just hustling. What was it like you were doing like previously before?
I was knocking on doors. So I built a company up, about 40 reps, 2 different offices. I was traveling, I was making a lot of money, but I was working all these hours, I wasn't fulfilled. Whenever my friends and family wanted my time, I had to ask to be able to leave, so I didn't have freedom. And I saw these people online living this quote-unquote laptop lifestyle, and I basically manifested to where last year I did 12 countries in 8 months from my laptop.
Jordan, talk to these lot about anyone can make success, you know what I'm saying? So like,
definitely,
what would you say to someone watching this now who's like testing products or something like that and not getting the success that they're getting, that they want to get?
Yeah.
What would you say to these people, man?
The reality of it is that if you already decided to take that leap and go with it, that's a good sign. That means you got some intuition. But guess what? A lot of people have intuition in this life, and that's not what's gonna bring you the results. The thing that separates the people that's actually making money from those who are not, and let's make sure we don't run into none of these people, is that you just take it and you keep working every single day. You stay true to craft, you stay to the mission, because you know that eventually it's gonna work. So when you get to that point where you feel like this is the worst thing ever, where you reach your last dollar, where everything is hurting, where everybody around you wants you to stop, that's when you need to double down and keep going harder, because that's where everybody else drops off. So keep that in mind, and you'll do great things. Harry could probably attest to this as well. We put her on the vlog too, so you already know. But that's what it takes, man, and that's something I really believe in. You gotta go all in.
See, that there was what I would call, that's what I'm saying. Jordan, just surrounding yourself with people who are, you know, come from nothing, and just you gotta surround yourself with a winning circle. And like I said before, you have to know your reason why.
Find your why.
That's gonna be your motivation, because listen, not every day is roses, not every day goes well, you know, and when shit is not going right, okay, your burning desire and your reason why
keeps you going.
It's gonna keep you going 100%.
Yeah.
But we're gonna head back to the event anyway. We'll get some content.
I'll get some footage of this guy on stage for you guys.
And we'll there'll be some more familiar faces there as well. So
definitely.
Peace and love.
Yeah.
So great, you've got this campaign, you've set it up, that's all well and good. You've done your tests, 48 hours to 3 days, you're getting great results, and now of course, you want to scale things. Now this is the CBO scale, okay? This is the CBO scale. New audience. Who's had a Facebook banned ad account? Who's had stuff banned? So you'll know exactly the pain that it feels when you log in and get that red thing at the top, and you can't, you know, advertise anymore. So yeah, thank you very much, and if you do want to connect with me, please do reach out to me on YouTube, drop me a DM, you can hit me up on Facebook, and yeah, I appreciate that. Oh, what's going on, people? We're out here at the Breakthrough event with a couple of the guys. These dudes been reaching out to me, follow me on the YouTube channel. So yeah, what we out here doing, boys? Facebook ads, Ecom talk, value bombs. That's what we're doing all day long. So yeah, always try and network with people who are, you know, trying to crush it. I'm out here to help all of these guys as much as possible. This year, 2019, I know that every single one of these lot behind me are going to absolutely crush it.
Beast of Ecom, getting so much value out of his CBO strategy, and I look forward to implementing it into our businesses. And he's the man. Follow him. High five.
Yeah, this is Jeff here. Hey guys, so I'm at the Breakthrough Conference, Sam Jacobs. I traveled from Virginia to New York here, primarily to see Harry and Beast of Ecom, aka. His presentation was great. He talked a lot about Facebook ad strategy. I mean, if you're not on his channel yet, if you're not on his Facebook group, I recommend getting on there. He has a lot of value. He was the reason I came to the conference. The conference was amazing, but yeah, he blew it away. Hopefully there'll be a replay if you guys missed it. But Harry, thanks again.
Thank you, man.
I appreciate
that, bro, honestly.
It's been good.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
It means a lot to me.
All right.
So when I said familiar faces, you guys, if you're doing e-commerce, then you already know who I'm standing next to, Justin Wall.
Hey, this is the man right here, guys. He's the beast of Ecom.
It's been a crazy event. Like I said, familiar faces. You've seen Jordan, and of course, like I said, he's another one.
Man in the house.
We're all out here cracking. Woo! So of course, like I said, make sure you network with people who are absolutely killing it. This is what we call the winner's circle.
Consistency, baby. Let's do it. That's it.
So right now I'm at Justin, my big boy Justin, my boy Jordan. We're about to do some live Q&A and stuff like that. So yeah, just get some questions answered. If you missed it, if you're watching this video, you've probably missed it because it's probably on YouTube. So if you do want to go watch it, then it's going to probably be, you're going to repost it, right? You're going to leave it in there. So Beyond Six Figures group, make sure you check it, get in there, and yeah, hopefully
get the value bombs hot.
Get the value bombs.
As you guys know, we got Jordan Welch in the back and Harry Ecom right here. What up? The beast of Ecom, guys. We got James Beatty on here right now. Ben French, one of my good friends from back home.
Repping the UK.
Yeah, very cool.
That's my dog.
Things like even to this day, you know, I'd still jump on things like this if
definitely
100%
was doing these things, because it just one small little thing, tactic, it could just literally change everything.
And like you say, always be a student.
Yeah, always be a student. You never want to be the teacher. Always constantly keep on learning.
This has been awesome though, guys. Seriously.
It's very rare for us to be in the room together. So, you know, like I say, I'm all the way from the UK, Jordan's all the way Cali, Justin's over here in NY. So like when we all come together like this, you know, it's important that we just put out as much content all together. And
he said you look out of it. Guys, we have
I am out of it, man.
my voice is shot. So as you can probably tell, my voice is absolutely shot. I was speaking to so many people yesterday, it was unreal, but I loved every single minute of it. The event was absolutely crazy. All of the speakers out there absolutely crushed their keynotes, and everyone who came out, thank you so much. You know, there were some people out there that came out specifically just to see me, and I really appreciate you guys who take time out to, you know, come out and just network with me, with other speakers and stuff like that. And sometimes you don't understand how much of an effect that you have, you know, with a YouTube channel, with a personal brand and stuff like that, and helping other people achieve their goals. And heading to the event yesterday, you know, really opened my eyes and made things real, that, you know, the content that I put out and the information that I put out is really helping people change their lives and helping them make big strides inside of their business, whether it be Facebook adverts, e-commerce and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a super crazy feeling. I feel very fulfilled, and again, I just want to say thank you to everyone who did come out, and anyone that I spoke to, who came up to me and liked my presentation or watched my stuff or anything like that. And especially those guys who came out specifically just to see me. I appreciate you guys so much. But I gotta head back to the UK. I'm hoping it's a little bit warmer than this. Haven't checked the weather yet, but it's a 7-hour flight. And then it's pretty much back to the grind. You already know what it is. We've been chilling this weekend. I've absolutely loved my weekend in NYC. Shout out to the whole of the team who organised the breakthrough event. It's been absolutely crazy. But back to the UK and back to the grind.
Yeah.